Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the site. Clean gently with mild soap and water and pat dry. Once the skin is dry, open the sterile Recovery Derm Shield without touching the adhesive. Hold the shield by its edges and align the center over the wound. Press the middle down first, then smooth the edges outward to prevent bubbles. This ensures a secure seal and reduces contamination. Make sure to apply firm, even pressure for 10-15 seconds, so adhesive bonds well and stays in place. Once applied, secure the shield by smoothing over the entire surface, checking closely for gaps or wrinkles that could trap moisture. If the shield is too large, trim excess with sterile scissors, leaving about 1/8 inch overlap to maintain seal. Do this before final placement or by lifting an edge temporarily. Keep an eye on the area. Inspect every 12 hours for drainage, increased redness, or lifting. If you notice any issues, reapply a fresh shield promptly to preserve the protective environment. To finish, remove the Recovery Derm Shield carefully by stretching the adhesive parallel to the skin rather than pulling upward. This minimizes trauma. Once off, assess the wound and either leave it uncovered if healed or apply a new shield. Replace shields every 3 to 7 days or immediately if edges lift, moisture accumulates, or drainage soaks through. If you see increased redness, swelling, fever, or worsening pain after removal, stop using the shield and contact your provider. Those signs could indicate infection and need prompt evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.